What's up you guys, today I'm going to do a quick video on this mechanical keyboard from Aula, the F2058. What's cool about this keyboard, it has got this rotary knob and dedicated multimedia buttons, 22 RGB light effects to choose from. By the look of the knob design, I don't think it will be possible to customize it. Here goes the logo on each side of the box, and on the back goes technical specifications on multiple languages. And the back side of the box once again exhibit the rotary knob as if it's a main selling point of the keyboard itself. This product is made in China, but the website is European. Not really sure with the origin of this product. By the way, I got this brand new. Still it's sealed. Let's unbox this right away. The product came with the wrist rest, and this is the foam for those who are concerned. And this is the manual, it's in multiple languages. Also came with the keycap holder. And this is a better look on the wrist rest. It's made of plastic and it's textured. And finally the keyboard. It's pretty standard, looks like my other HP gaming keyboard. Even the font looks pretty similar too. The indicator placed right above the arrow keys. And these are the multimedia buttons next to the rotary knob. Now I ordered specifically for blue switch, and the switch is KRGB switch, by the way. I think it's just another cherry clones. The USB is braided but non-detachable. There are 4 rubber paddings on the back, and you can also incline the keyboard. That's it, pretty simple. Let's get to the feature. So the keyboard available in several switches option: blue, red, black and brown. In case if you're wondering, it's stated as tactile. The key lifetime 60 million click, weighted around 820 grams, compatible with Windows only. It does not state anything about Mac OS. This is the rotary knob instructions. Go ahead, pause it if you want to read it. There is office mode and gaming mode. Let's try the functions. Press and hold the rotary knob to get into gaming mode. Now the multimedia buttons will change the lighting and highlight all the keys for gaming purpose. The rotary knob functions as volume controller, but you can use combinations function to control the volume as well. Hold function and F9 to mute. Functions F10 or F11 to adjust the volume. Functions F12 to lock the entire keyboard. Windows lock by pressing functions, Windows key and L. Now the indicator lock lights up, means the Windows key no longer function. To speed up the lighting effect, simply press functions and either left or right arrow keys. The indicator will blink once it's reached its maximum settings. Now to access the lighting mode, simply press the rotary knob. There's 22 lighting effects to choose from. I'm going to show it briefly. Right, let's do the sound test now.